Hold on. Is Bwija Bushiri. I come from Democratic Republic of Congo. I work here as a brother-to-brother mentor, which is working under NAC. I also a community-based counselor, which is working under OFID, and then I work into HIV departments. So what I was saying is my role as a mentor is to teach the younger ones, the adolescents, from 15 to 24, those are outside school, and from school 15 to 17. So the major task is to tell the boys to be self-reliant. They should have or be a role model into our community. They should consider themselves as the ultimate decision makers of their life. So we teach them about HIV and AIDS and prevention methods, and also encourage them to test. And I'm happy because our members of Brother to Brother, they've tested and they've known their HIV results, of which is one of the UN goal of eliminating HIV by 2030. I'm sure you know those of 395. So the first one, everyone should know their results, and I'm happy the boys, they've known their results. So we are working hand in hand with our sister in charge, with the other stakeholders, to enhance that the program is successful into our boys.
And looking at a community like this one, the settlement, how difficult is it engaging boys? Some are running around looking for money. Some will tell you, "You're not my father. I don't know where you come from." How difficult is it working with the boys?
It must be difficult, but to our side as NAC, like I explained to the other person, I'm glad because some of the parents, they followed me and they have asked me, "What are you doing in Brother to Brother?" So I had to explain the role of Brother to Brother, and they were happy to say, "Okay, my boys, they can come." So, but in other parts, as a refugee settlement, we fled from our country, and the results, lack of money, lack of what other can engage themselves into having sexual partners, sexual workers. So we are doing as the OFID now, looking at the OFID also as the brother. We are having outreach to schools in the community to teach, to educate people, especially younger ones, on HIV and AIDS. We've got youth centers here in Tongogara, if I'm not mistaken, 4 to 5, whereby we conduct our session there of Brother to Brother. We go there. Sometimes we invite other boys, and to be exactly some brothers who are not in my club members, when we have a session, they come and join. So it's really showing that that's the effort we are doing to help these boys and girls into settlement. We are trying our level best.
NAC came on board maybe some 2012 or so, when I was also here, and this actually brought a change within our community. As you can see, that the biggest percentage when the settlement administrator was talking is of these adolescents. And you know what it means if the adolescents are idly going around doing nothing, because they pose a lot of problems. Then with the NAC on board, which brought the brother to brother and the sister to sister, it actually brought in a change to our adolescents. They were given information, they were given chances to do their projects, they are saying. They were kept busy and stopping the idling part of of life of young people. As a result, we do not have much of this drug abuse and the like. And even our HIV, you can see within the population that the administrator said, and the number of people who are positive. This shows that this sexual active group of people which the NAC is attending to actually brought something that is actually positive and that is actually giving us good results within our adolescents group. And it's not only that they are being educated to prevent, let's say, prevention of HIV. We also have the other programs that were brought in, like the male circumcision. It is done to the brother, and it covers about 50 to 60% of prevention of HIV within the male people. It's also done in here. And we can also say that they also attend, again, there's another pillar which NAC is actually handling. They are also attending to the NCDs, non-communicable diseases. The brother and the sister to sister mentors, they have the BP machines which they use. Maybe they can use them while they are here at the hospital, or while they are during their visits there. I'm sure they told you that they are also counselors, these mentors. So they will be giving information, and they will be trying to culturally, like the sister to sister lady, you see, is someone who is an adult. Cultures can be different, but this, through bringing this woman within the cultural aspect of the refugees, it helps a lot. It gives them what we call like the behavior change within the girl child. I think it was quite something that is positive from NAC. That is positive from NAC, that they brought in that program attending to the adolescents.
Has the programs also helped in maybe reducing the number of STI infection cases in the area?
Yes, very much so. Very much so. If you could see our statistics, development of STI, it's very low. And HIV is part of STI. So it's also very low. Taking into consideration the 15,000 plus population, if you get a group of these people and test them, you can test almost 200 or 100 and get 0 negatives. And they are also doing what we call the self-test. They are distributing self-test kits to their peers. So it is actually playing a very good role in all those things, all those STIs, HIV infection, and all the other issues like to do with unwanted pregnancy.
Starangu Ndonze Jambaya Dorin. I'm the district AIDS coordinator for Chipinge district. Saka muzwara nhasi tauya kuno kuTongogara muTongogara Settlement matiri tine program yedu seNational AIDS Council yatiri kuita. Program yedu yatiri kuita inonzi sister to sister. Sister to sister inotargeta vasikana kana vakadzi vechidiki vari pakati pemakore 15 to 24. Then tine futi program ye brother to brother inotargeta vakomana vechidiki vari pakati pemakore 15 to 24. Maprograms edu aya atiri kuita muTongogara muno anoda kuti tireduce new HIV infections kumwana musikana nemwana mukomana. Takaona kuti kumwana musikana ari padambudziko kana kuti panjodzi yokubatira HIV. Zvikuru sei zvinokonzereswa risk factors akasiyana siyana avanosangana nawo pakukura kwavo. Mamwe ematambudziko avanosangana nawo semenzaniso tinosanganisira nyaya yepoverty, urombo chaiwo unokonzeresa kuti mwana musikana azenge achisvika pakuita zvisina kumira mushe kuti azosvisa pariski yokuwana HIV. Then also tine nyaya yemachild marriages. Tinoona kuti pakukura vanhu vane zvitendero zvakasiyana siyana zvavanobhilivha matiri. Zvimwe zvinoita kuti zvinobhilivha mumachild marriages. Saka vamwe vana vanorodzwa vachiri vadiki. Izvi zvinoita kuti mwana anga ari pariski yokuwana HIV. Tiri kuti kana mwana akapinda muchild marriage panenge pato futi nenyaya yatinotaura yema intergenerational gap relationships. Tiri kuti intergenerational gap relationship kunge uchipinda kana kudanana nemunhu akakukurira ne10 years. Kana munhu akakukurira ne10 years zvakutorewa kuti masimba ekutaura kana kuzvichengetedza panyaya yeutano anenge akatosiyana. Kana mwana ari mudiki kana musikana ari mudiki akarorwa nemunhu mukuru anogona kutotadza kutaura kuti ngatishandise condom because pane ane simba rakakura kudarika iyi. saka ndo emamwe matambudziko atinosangana nawo. Then tine nyaya yemachild marriages. Takatarisa muno muChipinge takakomberedzwa nema-countries anosanganisira Mozambique neSouth Africa, ende vazhinji vedu vanoenda kuMozambique, vazhinji vanoenda kuSouth Africa. Saka vana vamwe vanozosara vari ma-child-headed families, zvinozokonzeresa kuti munhu ange ari parisk factor yokubatira HIV. Mumwe anozogona kupedzisira kutengesa muviri wake kuti ariritire masiblings ake. Saka program yedu yeSister to Sister inodzidzisa vasikana pamusoro peHIV and AIDS kuti ange achiziva ma-prevention methods ariko kuti azvichengetedze, uye ange achiziva kuita ma-informed decision making pamusoro peutano hwake. Then also tinodzidzisa kunge ange achigona kuzvimiririra, then also anonge achigona kuziva ma-needs nema-wants ake, kuitira kuti panyaya dzekushandisa mari azive zvinhu zvakakosha nezvisina kukosha.